Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create this Indian glam makeup look. So first we are going to prep our skin using plum green tea toner. It fixes all the pores and gives a flawless base. Then I am using Pond's Super Light Oil-Free Moisturizer, and this is my go-to moisturizer. It keeps my skin hydrated for a very long time. Applying sunscreen is a very important part for day and night as well, because it protects our skin from harmful rays like UVA, UVB, which leads to skin problems like skin cancer and skin aging also. It takes few minutes to get absorbed into your skin, and this sunscreen is waterproof. I am using here Diva Halal sunscreen, which gives no white cast. Next, I am going to color correct my face using Inside Cosmetics HD Concealer in the shade 07 Golden Reset. I am using very less product around my eyes and around my mouth to avoid the creasing of the product on my skin. If you are having uneven skin tone, dark spots and many problem areas on your face, you can go for Orange Corrector as well. Do not rub beauty blender on your face to blend the foundation. Just dab it on your skin and keep some patience, and the foundation will blend easily. You can easily see the difference between my two eyes, that what is the benefit of using concealer. Color correctors or concealers helps to protect our skin from the graying of foundation. For foundation, I am going to use NYB Foundation Concealer Contour Color Corrector Stick for fair skin in the shade Golden Grander Than Central 3. So this foundation stick gives me medium coverage, which is good for daily makeup routine. Next, I am going to set my base using Blue Heaven Flawless Finishing Powder in the shade Blush. Eyeshadow, I am using Inside Cosmetics Non-Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade Coffee Command. If you are using a matte lipstick as your eyeshadow, then do remember you should use an eyeshadow brush to blend it properly. For eyebrows, I am using Blue Heaven Walkfree Eyebrow Definer Long Stay Natural in the shade Brown, and it is a very good eyebrow definer in this price. It stays long and is waterproof. This definer comes with a super fine tip and a creamy formula that helps you to create natural looking brows. I am applying this beautiful eyeliner which I purchased from Simsim store. I will link all the products used in this video in my description box. To give volume to my eyelashes, I am using here Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara in the variant Washable Very Black. So this mascara is very easy to apply and it's 36 hours curl, climate proof, waterproof, curl proof and no melting. Using this mascara, I feel no need of using fake eyelashes. For my lips, I am using Maybelline New York Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance, and this shade is good for all the Indian skin tones, especially for dusky skin. I am using this same lipstick as my blush because it is a nice brownish nude with a very less tint of dusty pink. It looks good on all skin tones. The texture is extremely creamy, so it does not dries out your skin at all. Then I'm going to apply highlighter alongside my cheek areas and my nose. And this is my final look. I hope you guys liked it, so please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Like this video, comment and share as much as you can. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.